Riera ria kiha na maithori nirio riatinda mwena wa PI Murindoko Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga hindi ya igongona ria kugira horo Regina Wangui na David Muigai, ciana igiri cia mahatha cia ukuru wa miaka 4 iria ciakuireire mutino-ini wa nenebe cia mwaki. Nyina wa ciana ici ni ataririe rucini ruu cia mwiguithirie magie na mahoya mbere ya cokete kumagara guthie kumethera thukuru, ona gutuika ngoro-ini yake ni kwari na uritu ati angihotire gutariria maumanaga naki.
Regina no kerire na akenjira atiriri, "Ma'am, nataka kuamka nikunywe chai." Ngimwira basi enda ukunywe chai. Akaniambia, "Ma'am, hatujaomba." So nimwakirina tukivoya na makiuma. All in all, tuvoya gwakwa ni ndavoire protection of these children in a very deep way that morning. Na ndavoya ni nderire Ngai umagitire no mamenyerere.
Agicoka mucii gwa cuwe wa ciana ici kuria matigite atungirwo ni ndeto ya kieha, akirwo ciana ciake ihiriire nyumba undu matangiakurikanire.
Ndacokire kuthi kanitha-ini Assumption 12:30 iteya na mitha. Maundu maya mothe makibandika ndoririe Mwathani ndekarandi, Jehova ni kumbaririria urambaragiriria maundu maya maritu. No undu ni atiriri, Mwathani guti undu no mumagana thutha.
Agicakaya ciana ici ni atari iria marendanite na mataratiganaga na marari gikeno gia family ino, indi mutino uyu riu utigite ithenya rinene kuri family ino.
Regina ndiokaga na mugate. Chantel is my firstborn, Mena Shakaina is our firstborn. But ndangaga irwe mugate ni anybody. She has to take the blend. Agaire the brother David, asoke Shakaina, asoke Chantel. Ile gutigara karatathini ete David kuja ni kuongezee.
Andu a family na arata magicakaya ciana ici mwaria thutha wa uria ungi makionekana kurituhirwo makiugira ciana ici uhoro.
Our family chain is broken and nothing seems the same, but God will call us one by one and then the chain will link again.
You brought joy that will last for a lifetime. Your laughter filled the air with music, and your innocence reminded us all of the beauty of the simple moments.
When I heard that my cousins, David and Regina, had died, I couldn't believe it. I still don't believe it. I will miss their cute faces and hold dearly the moments we shared.
MCA wa wadi no Charles Nyamunyaga ni anyitanire na family no hari kumomiriria, agitugiria unyitaniri wa honge cia kuoya mwaki cia Kirinyaga na Embu kumana na uria cianyitanire hindi ya mutino uyu.
Bakwa ni kuthi na mbere na gwe family pole nyingi muno ni undu wa uria kwathire na gwaikarire na tukimaire meumiririe mathina mbere na kwiyumiriria na Ngai ni ekumabebinya.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Murindoko Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Winaina wa Kiarie.